I'm pretty sure like this. What's up, you guys? I am about to do my first official wig install. I do not have any experience putting wigs on. I just put it on and just go. If I gotta slap a hat on, that's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna actually like try the whole I got this stuff, water resistant adhesive, it's cling. I got this stuff that is famous for laying wigs down. So yeah, I'm about to like, oh, and for all my lock girls, yes, I have locks. So this is where I'm at right now.
Hell no, I can't worry about a broke nigga. Got a chopper with extensions in the scope, nigga. I'm the president, you ain't even vote, nigga. In the water like a motherfucking boat, nigga. I ain't never met a bitch that excite me. Up clock and left stains in your white tee. I ain't never met a bitch that ain't like me. Guarantee L if you try and fight me. Got that cash, nigga. I do. I'm in my bag, nigga. I am. Gift a grab, nigga. Tryna eat my damn dinner.
Oh, okay. I'm pretty sure like this. You got it. All right, what am I supposed to do now? Okay, get the wig. Okay, this lace definitely not supposed to be all the way up here. Okay, I think my poor edges. I'm so sorry. I did this to you. It was supposed to go up here, I think. Oh, that's just my forehead. So yeah, I basically messed this whole thing up, but like we're gonna try to revive it. That's hot. I mean, that's spicy, whatever kids might say.
Stick on my plate, lean in my face, got my damn liquor. Swear, if you gon' stare, I don't really care, might as well take a damn picture. Cause I look great, I feel great, I look great, and I feel great. I look great, and I feel great. I look great, and I feel great. Got a hotel room on the top floor. Spent my cheese, nigga, nachos. Balenciaga, my zapatos. Feel white tee with gazpacho. Cartier vision so clear. Bitch, just lean, not beer. I ain't face tap my tears, but I can still get you killed. But you say I'm an asshole. Ain't this what you asked for?
I really don't have to do my makeup right now because the photo shoot is not until 5 and it's probably like 1. So I low-key don't want to put no makeup on my face, and I'm just gonna take it right off.
200 on dashboard. Why the hell would I drive slow? You take road trips. I stamp my passport. Wouldn't touch your bitch with a 10-foot pole. I ain't never been there.
Makeup in. I know I need some setting spray, but yeah, I don't have any, so it's not your problem. All right, so I'm gonna put on a little bit of mascara. Okay. Oh, how be cute, little short wig. I feel like I I did a good job, and I did it by myself too. I'm proud of myself. Ooh. Okay. Do I have any more? Yes, I have tons. Okay, it's not moving. Okay, it's not moving. It's not moving. I'm just playing. Okay. So let's see how this port. How do I want this port? Cause you know, you can do it whichever way.
Oh, 'cause I look great. I feel great. I look great. And I feel great. I look great. And I feel great. I look great. And I feel great.